Welcome to Digital Wisdom. My name is Bobit Thomas. Business meetings are an integral part of any organization's daily schedule. So today I'm talking about Calendly. Calendly helps make scheduling faster and more efficient than ever. So everyone can get more time back in their day life. To visit Calendly, visit calendly.com there, and actually is an easy scheduling software. Using Calendly, you can log in and with a G Suite ID, Google ID. That's better. Then you can able to connect your Google Calendar into the software. Before that, we can go through the pricing model. So the three around four options there. The basic is always free, and the premium for $8 per user per month, and for pro is $12 user per month. For if you are individual, so it's always free. And with the premium, you will get the advanced features, something like that here. And we can sign up with free there. So the easiest way of you to sign up is with Google. It will automatically connect your calendar, so you can start using calendar in the right way. Create. We have to create a custom URL here. So we can put the available dates, and don't you can change it later, so you don't worry about the if you tick or uncheck. It's okay for right now. So we can put roll something like that. So it's very easy setup. We can select a 30 minutes meeting on one-to-one meetings, 15 minutes meeting. We can select event, and we can create new events here too. If you let's multiple invitees meet you at a one time. So one-to-one meeting. If you look to create one-to-one meeting, you can put events name and all the events link here. Also, if it's 33 meetings, we can click here. We can add all the important information about the event here. So using this software, you can collaborate different tools, and you can schedule the meeting without any problems. To share the links, you will get the share links using this link. Then if you share the link to someone who's ready to join the meeting, then they can option to join there. And we can see the booking page from here. So this is something like looks like. So we added we opened our time slot on weekdays, so that's why it's showing something like that. But there is an option to edit all the things from here, like in the link from the availability link. The availability link, you can change the timings, and it will automatically refer to your calendar. So it's very interesting. I believe this type of application will easy your digital life, and without overlapping schedule times, etc. So if you have any doubt regarding this off Calendly, you can comment below to the video. Thank you for watching videos.